Hey everyone! If you want to create engaging YouTube shorts, TikTok videos, Instagram reels, or other vertical content quickly, InVideo makes the process simple with AI-powered tools and ready-made templates. In this video, I'll show you how to create shorts in InVideo from start to finish in 2026. First, visit the InVideo website and sign in to your account. If you're new to the platform, create a free account and access the dashboard. Once you're logged in, click Create Video and choose a vertical video format. For shorts, select the 9:16 aspect ratio to ensure your content is optimized for mobile viewing. Next, decide how you want to create the video. You can start with a blank canvas, use a template, or generate a video using InVideo AI. If you're using AI generation, enter a detailed prompt describing the type of short you want to create. This could be educational content, news updates, motivational clips, product promotions, tutorials, or entertainment videos. After generating the project, review the scenes and structure. Since shorts are designed for quick viewing, keep the content concise and focused on a single topic. And that's how to create shorts in InVideo in 2026. With AI-powered video generation and easy editing tools, you can create professional short-form content in just a fraction of the time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.